Well, we have movement. I'll just put a line on it so we can see it's moved up to here. And according to my barometer, the gold arm or hand is the one that I put in position to remind us where it was, and the black one is the one that's actually moving. That's dropped right down to 30. So it was on 30.14 when we looked at it yesterday. It's dropped down to 30, and that's moved up to there. Now, I don't know how accurate this is going to be, because there's all sorts of other variables that will change that. But that's what we've got. So at the moment, it's literally just under the 30, but I'll mark it off as 30. Okay, so that's on 30 at the moment. We'll come back and have another look another time. Well, that's dropped right down to 29.8 now. It didn't seem to move quite so far. It still moved, but that seems like a long gap compared to that one. I've been waiting for the pressure to go back up again. It's been several days. It's now gone back up to 30.14 again. And although this has gone in the right direction, it's nowhere near where it said 30.14 when we started. So I'm going to put the line on the other side here. So that's our new 30.14. And we'll see what happens. It wouldn't surprise me if there was some sort of settling, maybe of the rubber in the balloon or something like that, that actually accounted for that distance, and it may have settled down now, so possibly this may be more accurate. We'll see. There's something black in there. I wonder what that is. Well, we clearly have a problem with the accuracy here, I think. Air pressure has changed dramatically. We're right over here now, so that's 30.7, about 30.75. Whereas this fella, well, it has dropped down. It's down to the marking that was originally 30.14, but we do clearly have a problem. We've got mould growing in there now. Probably something to do with using the food colouring. But that black stuff would appear to be mould of some sort growing on the inside. It's even a bit yellowy up there. Looks like there was a bit of a ridge where the original water had stopped. So, well, it's a success in that we are seeing a difference in the water level when the air pressure is changing, but it's clearly nowhere near as accurate as a proper whatever they're called, barometer. Well, it's a fun experiment. I think you'd have to practice with different types of tubing and different types of water, probably distilled water, so you haven't got any chance of any mould growing in it. I think that'll do though. I'll call it a halt there.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.